Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to connect to EA servers on Battlefield 6. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and look for EA server status and look if the Battlefield 6 servers is not down on EA side. If it's not down, we can proceed with other steps. If it's down, you just need to wait, okay? First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or if there is a possibility, use a hotspot or another internet connection. Other fix can be is that you need to go to EA.com and log into your EA account here. Then go to account settings. Then here under the account information, scroll down until you see your regional settings. And then here press edit. Then you get a code on your email probably. And then select exact country where you play right now and where you live. All right. And then save it. Then another thing, a lot of people, this happens when they use Steam version. Just go on EA app, go to library, then look for Battlefield 6 and install on EA app. With the EA app, there is less problem with it, okay? Another thing that you can do here is to open up cmd or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to put few commands. First command is nash wins ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nash winsock reset. After that, restart your computer by going to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings and network reset, and reset your network with your computer as well. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. Then what you need to do here is to write view network connections. Here you need to look for your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties. Here you need to look for internet protocol version 4. And then here on use the following DNS server address. On preferred, you need to write 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.